Hey bunnies, welcome to another video. For today's video, we're going to be answering the question, what do you bring to the table? Now, this question for me is like low-key problematic, but I get the intention, I get where the question stems from. Right off the bat, I feel like people who ask this question, what do you bring to the table, are hurt from past relationships, or they're damaged in some kind of way. And I know these words are kind of heavy, but that's how I personally feel about it. I feel like a true upstanding person is not on the first date going to be like, okay, so what do you bring to the table? No, you're going to get to know the person. You're going to find out how they're going to benefit your life. Okay, if you're looking for a financially stable partnership, then I feel like the questions you ask will or will not identify their stability or the lifestyle that they have, right? Even though people could be living lavish and literally have like $5 in their pockets or in their bank book, right? So yeah, asking, you know, what you bring to the table is low-key problematic for me. Let's start that off right there. A while back, I did a video on chivalry. I did a video on if I'm a gold digger. I did multiple videos on the stages of being in a relationship. Now, doing those videos and how to be more feminine and all that stuff, doing those videos, I got comments or DMs or whatever trying to imply that I'm some sort of gold digger, right? And watching other femininity channels and pages and seeing the comments and DMs and messages that they get, it's like there is this stigma that if you're trying to level up your life, you're trying to gold dig. And I will always say this, the people who have gold, whether it's men or women that you're attracted to, the people who have gold are not worried about you digging for it. They know how to make more gold. They know that if your love language is receiving gifts, they have no problem giving you gifts. Okay? Now with the whole what you bring to the table thing, here's the thing. As a feminine woman or a woman trying to level up within society, you might not be the Mrs. Gates of the world or ex Gates of the world, right? Where you have all this buku money to just give out and be 50-50 with the person or whatever the case is. But if you're leveling up your life, that means you're going back to school, you're fixing your teeth, you're making sure that your hair, your skin and nails look really good, you're making sure that you are well spoken, you are learning another language, you are traveling the world, you are picking up hobbies like horseback riding or golf or whatever the case is, so that you are now in a certain league where you can associate with people of a certain tax bracket, right? You may not be in that millionaire status personally, but you are able to rub shoulders with people in that category, right? I did not watch Inventing Anna. I'm still on episode 1, and I know I should watch it. I just can't get into it after being spoiled by Tinder Swindler and Raw Vegan and Dirty Vegan. If it's not a documentary type of show, it's like hard for me to get into, but I will try to watch it because she's Russian, right? I don't know. And I do like Russian spy movies or spy shows or whatever the case is. I literally just finished the Netflix series called In From the Cold, and that was amazing. Russian Spy, the ending blew my mind. Straying from the point, right? So apparently in Inventing Anna, the premise is that she's actually from nothing. She doesn't have a wealthy family or whatever, but she gives off the impression or has tricked or fooled these people into thinking that she is of wealth or comes from wealth, right? And the base of that is your confidence, right? Leading up from being confident is that you are associating and aligning yourself with certain people that can put you in certain places. If you are well spoken, well dressed, well kept, you have proper manners, you have a better chance of being aligned with a person of a higher stature than you are. So what do you bring to the table? You bring eloquence, you bring stature, you are well spoken, you are educated. Okay, having a great education is nothing to laugh at. Okay, whether it's your high school diploma, your college diploma, you have experience in artistry, or whatever the case is, you have something that you can speak on, be knowledgeable about, you can carry a conversation. These things are things that you can bring to the table. Okay, so you might not have all the money in the world, you might not be able to go 50-50 in all the bills, you might not but if you're with a person who can financially cover all of that, what you bring to the table is someone amazing on their arm. If it sounds wild, I apologize, okay? But I promise you, the strong man, the masculine gender, the masculine partner is looking for someone softer, right? Who will be by their side, who can help them along in life, or even not just help them, just be a good companion. A lot of these older people out there, what they want is companionship. A lot of these people who have established themselves, what they want is companionship, because they've already worked so hard. They don't want someone that's equally as hard as the life that they've lived, right? In the same breath, I'm going to say that you also have to be a strong feminine woman or strong person, right? In some aspects. Let's say in the bedroom, if you watch my Naked Sunday videos, then you'll have some type of idea of what I'm talking about. Being confident in your sexuality is super, super important. Being able to initiate things in the bedroom, being able to seduce a person just by looking at them, just by speaking, it's very, very much a high quality, a high trait to have. Okay, so what do you bring to the table? All these qualities and values that you're probably not going to find another person, you're going to find in me. And I don't want to use I don't want to use the term not like other girls, because I literally read a post about that today. You don't want to say, yo, I'm not like other girls, The last thing you want to do is put other women down. Okay, that's not what we're here to do. You're here to focus on yourself, and you're here to show this person that, you know what, I'm truly the best thing for you at the end of the day. Regardless of my financial status, right? I'm taking care of myself, right? I'm educated, I'm well spoken, I'm well traveled, I'm well versed, all these things. All these amazing, amazing things. I'm healing emotionally, that's going to therapy. I have a great smile, that's making sure that you go see a dentist. And if you need to get braces, like my dentist told me I have to get braces for a year, and that was a good 2 years ago, and I haven't done it. So like I could have gotten my braces off by now, and every time I think about it I want to weep, but here we are, because I don't know, like at my big age I guess in braces. Anyways, I digress. If you're ever asked what you bring to the table, I would say walk away from said table, because you don't want somebody like that who's going to try to test you and quiz you and probe you every chance they get. Okay, you want to be with someone who's going to ask you genuine questions and try to get to know you and decide, you know what, if you're a good fit for their life, or if you're a good fit for they're a good fit for your life. Okay? Okay. Thank you guys so much for watching. Until next time, peace sign and kissy face. Bye.